When you're choosing which Allett mower to buy, the main reason you're going to buy the C range is because you want to do all these other tasks all from the same machine. The chassis is extremely accurate because it needs to be for the precision of the mowing that we're doing, but you gain all of those advantages when you put a verticut, for instance, in, of accuracy and easy adjustment, and what is actually a very quick machine. So to remove the cartridge, it's quite simple. I switch the engine off, make sure that that's all disabled. I use the rear kickstand to pull the machine up so the weight is sitting at the back of the machine. When I remove the cartridge, the front becomes light. If I didn't do that, the machine would tip backwards. I have a small hand wheel at the side here. I'm just going to wind this out. This actually retains the cartridge within the machine. I then just slide the cartridge to disengage it from the drive, and then once I've done that, the cartridge is free to be removed. I then choose the cartridge I want to put in, and I just need to sit that on some rails within the machine and then line up the drive coupling. And there's a couple of little markers on this that just make that easy, and then I can slide the cartridge into the drive, and then I put the knob back into place again, and that cartridge is now absolutely locked tight within the chassis. There's no movement whatsoever, and it's as simple as that.